This is iMobi. If you want to manage audiobooks with AnyTrans, this video can help you do this. First, please connect your device. Unlock the device, and click Yes, I know. After the connection is successful, the software will automatically read your device data. Click More. Click Books and click Audiobooks. This is transferring audiobooks to Mac. This is transferring audiobooks from computer to device. This is transferring the audiobooks to another device, deleting the unwanted audiobooks. Refreshing audiobooks. These are two different sorting operations, and you can choose the way you like to arrange audiobooks. Select the data you need to transfer and click to Mac. You can change the data transfer path to facilitate your search later. Click Open. After the transfer is successful, you can click View Files to view the transferred data.